Hello everyone, in this video I want to tell you a solution to a simple problem. The problem is here like this. Generally we want our system to be in the active mode, like if I connected my phone to system hotspot, so in order to have the internet active, I want my computer should not go to sleep mode. But actually here when the system go to sleep mode, the internet and Wi-Fi will be hotspot will be turned off automatically. So in order to have active Wi-Fi, so we need the system in active mode. So but we need the system screen to be turned off in order to save battery life. So in order to do that, like we have a simple setting there, we can change our screen time setting, that so that screen will be turned off but the system will be in the active mode itself. So the setting here is like this. If you see here, open the settings in your PC, there just type sleep power and sleep setting. Open that. There here, if you see here, we have two options, screen and sleep. So on battery power, turn off after, so keep 1 minute, and plug in it also keep 1 minute. Then sleep, you keep sleep never. Here also I am going to keep sleep never. So after, so what are these settings means, like after when I leave my system aside, it will go the screen will be turned off automatically after 1 minute, but the system doesn't go to sleep mode because like I kept here, the system never goes to sleep mode. So by it, this means by manually we should make the system sleep. Instead that it doesn't goes to sleep mode never automatically. So by this setting you can after keeping the setting, when you want to our internet or hotspot to be active while the screen will be offed also.